To stay in the air, a traditional airplane relies on forward thrust. Its fixed wings require a constant stream of high-speed air across the surface to generate upward lift. While helicopter rotors can hover, those exposed high-speed blades become a physical hazard in tight spaces, making them difficult to operate inside buildings or around obstacles. In 2006, DARPA launched the $4 million Nano Air Vehicle Initiative, specifically searching for a way to achieve stable, controlled flight in these complex urban environments. When a wing is shrunk to the size of a few inches, the forward speed required to generate lift becomes too high for a confined indoor hallway. Navigating at this scale required engineers to rethink the basic propulsion methods used in human aviation. This is the AeroVironment Nano Hummingbird, a drone designed to solve the microflight problem by mimicking nature. To meet the mission requirements, the aircraft had to be extremely light. The finished vehicle weighs exactly 19 grams. That total weight, which includes the battery, the motor, and a live video camera, is less than the weight of a standard AA battery. This vehicle generates 100% of its propulsion solely by flapping its wings, abandoning propellers in favor of biological movement. Building a machine at this scale meant engineers had to move away from fixed wing mechanics and reverse engineer the flight patterns found in nature. Most birds generate lift by pulling their wings downward, then folding them inward during the upstroke to minimize air resistance. This folding action creates a gap in lift, which prevents most bird species from holding a steady position in still air without dropping. Biological hummingbirds use a highly flexible shoulder joint capable of rotating up to 180 degrees to solve this. This rotation allows the wings to stay fully extended through the entire wing beat, tracing a horizontal figure-8 pattern through the air. The Nano Hummingbird replicates this continuous cycle, moving its mechanical wings at speeds faster than the human eye can track. This figure-8 pattern provides the constant, balanced lift required to hold a weighted body motionless in the air. By flipping the leading edge of the wing, the hummingbird pushes air downward on both the forward and backward strokes, creating lift during both halves of the cycle. This visualization capture shows that this lift is not perfectly symmetrical. The strong downward vectors reveal that the downstroke produces 75% of the total lift. The remaining 25% of the lift is generated during the upstroke, as the wing's natural curve prevents it from completely reversing its shape. To prevent this asymmetry from causing the 19-gram body to drift, the drone's onboard motors must constantly pulse to balance these opposing forces. Balancing these dual lift forces allows the machine to achieve omnidirectional movement, flying forward, backward, or sideways without a tail rotor. To prove the design's viability, the drone had to survive rigorous testing, including a requirement to hover continuously for 8 minutes using only its internal power source. During stability tests, the drone had to stay within a virtual 2-meter sphere while being hit by 5-mile-per-hour wind gusts from the side. In final operational trials, pilots successfully flew the drone through standard doorways and navigated indoor environments using only the onboard video feed. The prototype met or exceeded every one of these military benchmarks, demonstrating that flapping wing flight is a functional solution for microscale aviation. This technology is being developed for urban reconnaissance and search and rescue missions, where drones must navigate tight, unstable disaster zones to find survivors. These capabilities are the direct result of studying the biological hummingbird, a natural pollinator that has evolved to visit over 1,000 flowers a day. Engineers are now treating natural ecosystems as sources of field-tested data, refining machine designs based on millions of years of biological evolution. The successful flight of the Nano Hummingbird suggests that the next generation of microaviation will find its blueprints in the biological world.